Hi, I'm Roberta. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm here today with...
Your kitchen?
Our kitchen, dear, our kitchen. I'm here today sharing my kitchen with my friend David Thompson, and we're going to show you a quick trick for Thai food.
No, it's not a trick. What it is it's actually a functional seasoning component.
It was wrong of me to call it a trick.
And that's why it's not a kitchen.
It's a functional seasoning component of toasted and ground dried chilies.
It adds a frisson. It adds a nice spritzy flavour to most curries and so on. Sometimes chilies don't go far enough, and so when you toast these, you get a smoky, resonant depth to it that just adds a dimension that's just delightful and memorable.
So when one of our recipes, which means his recipes, call
in her kitchen
for chili powder, what we're talking about is this chili powder that we're about to make. And does it only go in curries, chef? Or?
No, everywhere.
So we are about to show you how to make the most wonderful all-purpose chili powder.
It's good for revenge, it's good for seasoning, it's good for dishes hot and cold.
And let's see if we can do it without coughing too much. Now, we're using these small chilies, chef, but you did say sometimes they make it with large?
Yes, look, you can use these chilies, which are quite good. These are called Prichindar Hang. Dragon-eyed chilies or dragon chilies. These are quite good. Sometimes you get smaller ones. It depends upon the region.
Right.
And sometimes they will go really mind-snappingly hot. Sometimes they're quite kind, and sometimes they'll go a little bit, to my mind, it's a bit pointless. Up in the north, they will just grill these types of chilies, and they'll do that because the northern food isn't as spicy as the Central Plains,
right,
or as the adjacent northeast. And nothing is as hot as southern food.
No, I believe so.
Yes. And this is simplicity itself. All you do is to throw these buggers in, and you put it on the heat, and you just char it. Not char it, you just, like it's called cool, which means just to dry fry them until Roberta coughs.
Let's go to the stove and make me cough.
You just need to stop them from charring, from burning rather than charring, because you want to have an even toasting, because if it's not even, you get an inconsistent flavour. You can use your hands at this stage. I mean, I know that looks impressive or stupid, but it's not, because it's not that hot yet. You can toss them. It's entirely up to you how you do it. A wooden spoon, that's better for husbands.
So David, when they're charred like that, and I'm coughing like this,
they are ready.
They are ready. Okay.
And once they're toasted, either hot or cold, just put them into a small little spice grinder. Make sure it's not your coffee grinder.
Ah, indeed.
Because if it is,
spicy coffee.
It will be perky in the morning.
Okay, let's blitz these and have a look.
Yep, you blitz, because sometimes blitzing
leads to coughing.
It can be a blitz. And once they're done, it can be quite coarse, reasonably coarse. Bang.
Bit like you, chef.
I'm vulgar, I'm not coarse.
Oh, I see, okay.
And then you just do this. But can I suggest, if you do put your finger in, and you should, to dry all this, wash your hands scrupulously afterwards, because it can linger for longer than you expect.
Okay,
and
noted.
You'll only do it once.
So, there we go.
Now, to keep this, just put it into a bowl, seal it, and in the fridge. When it's refrigerated, it just lasts a lot longer. It lasts indefinitely. Some people will leave it out. I think that's wrong, because it just dries out, becomes desiccated, and loses half of its flavour. However, just like that, in the fridge, covered, it will last until lunchtime.
Chili powder. Let's see what we can do with it.